Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to solve some problems based on compound angles. In the last class, we have seen how to solve allied angles by using compound angles. But here, today we are going to solve problems based on compound angles. Let's see the examples one by one, right? The first example is find the value of find the values of sine 15 degree, cos 15 degree and tan 15 degree, right? क्या फाइंड करना है हमें यहाँ पे sin 15 डिग्री, cos 15 डिग्री एंड tan 15 डिग्री बाय यूजिंग कंपाउंड एंगल्स के हिसाब से सॉल्व करना है. लेट अस कंसीडर सॉल्यूशन. First sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree can be written as sine of 45 minus 30 degree लिख सकते हैं हमेशा. 15 degree it is. 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus of 30 sine A minus B form it is now. Already we know the compound angles. Sine A plus B, sine A minus B, tan A minus B, sine A plus B, cos A plus B and tan A plus B, right? Now we have converted sine 15 degree into sine of 45 minus 30. Again 45 minus 30 is what we get here. Angle, it is 15 degree, right? Now 45 minus 30, that is sine A minus B. The formula for sine A minus B is what? Sine A cos B. Yes. Sine of A minus B formula. Sine A cos B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, right? Standard form of sine A minus B. Let us consider this as A minus this is B. Now sine of A minus B is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, right? Now substitute the value. Already you know sine 45 degree is what? Yes, 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. And cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is yes, root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. And next cos 45. Again cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So simplify this one. What we get in the numerator here? What we get? Root 3 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now both side denominator is same. We can write it as root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 for sine 15 degree. What we get here? Sine 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Similarly, cos 15 degree. I will write here cos 15 degree. Second one, it is cos 15 degree, which is equals to cos 15 again can be written as cos of 45 minus 30 degree, right? Now again which is in the form of cos A minus cos B, cos A minus cos B. Again formula for cos A minus cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, right? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B it is. the value for cos 45 again. Cos 45 degree is again, as we have, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 plus of sine of 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Here also what we get? Root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, which is equals to, again denominator is same, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. It is nothing but cos 15 degree. Now for tan 15 degree, already we have sin 15 and cos 15. Just simply substitute for tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree, which is equals to sin by cos. Ratio of tan is sin by cos. Sin 15 degree upon cos 15 degree. Now sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 into cos 15. Now write reciprocal, it becomes 2 root 2 upon root 3 plus 1, right? Now here 2 root 2 get cancelled, what we get? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Now take its conjugate here, multiply and dividing by root 3 minus 1. In the numerator what we get? Root 3, which can be written as yes, a minus b whole square, it is root 3 minus 1 whole square. In the denominator a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, right? I will write in the numerator now. See, now expand this one, root 3 minus 1 whole square, it is in the form of, that is tan 15 degree, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 2ab, right? 2ab. Now whole divided by root 3 is to get cancelled, 3 minus 1, right? Which is 3 minus 1. Now square root get cancelled, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now here 2 take common, what we get? 2 minus root 3 upon 2. 2 get cancelled, what we get finally? Tan 15 degree, which is equals to 2 minus of root 3, right? साइन क्या मिला था हमारे को? साइन 15 डिग्री रूट 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 मिला था. And cos 15 degree, what we get here? Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 मिला था. Now substitute these two, root 3 minus 1, that is tan 15 degrees again sin by cos ratio. Now by substituting these two values, what we get? Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, it is denominator. When it goes to the numerator, it becomes reciprocal, then 2 root 2 upon root 3 plus 1, 2 root 2 get cancelled. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 we get here. Now to get root in the numerator, what we can do here? Multiply and dividing by root 3 minus 1, its conjugate. Root 3 plus 1 is there, now multiply and dividing by root 3 minus 1, right? In the numerator, root 3 minus 1 is there, we can write it as root 3 minus 1 whole square. In the denominator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus of b square. Now expand numerator, root 3 minus 1 whole square in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by square root get cancelled here, only 3 remains, minus 1 square is 1 only. Therefore again square root get cancelled here. 3 plus 1 square is 1 only, minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. By taking 2 common outside in the numerator, what we get inside? 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. What we get? The tan 15 degrees 2 minus root 3, right? Next we will see another problem. Again here what we are doing by using compound angles only. Sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B. Similarly, next example is prove that sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equals to sin square A minus of sin square B. क्या प्रूव करो बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equals to sin square A minus of sin square B, right? Solution. Now let us consider here LHS sin A plus B into sin of A minus B. Now we have formula sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, right? Now multiply, which is in the form of, now what we can write, A plus B, A minus B. A plus B and A minus B form. Now A plus B, A minus B can be written as A square minus B square. That is sin square A cos square B. That is nothing but A square minus of B square. It is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, which can be written as A square minus of B square. Now sin square keep as it is. Cos square B can be written as 1 minus sin square B. Again cos square, sin square B as it is. Cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A, right? Now multiply sin square inside, what we get? Let's see. Sin square A into 1 is sin square A minus of sin square A sin square B. Again multiply sin square B minus minus plus sin square A into sin square B. Here plus sin square A sin square B minus sin square A sin square B get cancelled. The remaining term is nothing but sin square A minus of sin square B, which is nothing but our RHS. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. क्या प्रूव करो बोलते हैं हमारे को? sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equals to sin square A minus sin square B. क्या करें सिंपल यहाँ पे? Let us consider LHS sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Already we know the formula. Sin A plus B formula is compound angle formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin A minus B formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now which is in the form of A plus B, it is A minus B. A plus B, A minus B can be written as directly what? A square minus of B square. Similarly, we can write it as sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Now sin square keep as it is. cos square b, it is cos square theta can be written as what? 1 minus sin square theta, right? And again sin square theta already you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. Therefore cos square theta equals to what? 1 minus sin square theta in this form, right? Now cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b, minus sin square b can be written as it is, and cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a. Now multiply sin square a in the first term and sin square b in the second term. What we get here? Sin square a sin square b plus sin square a sin square b minus plus get cancelled. Remaining write down sin square a minus sin square b is nothing but your RHS value. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, right? And the next example is just by using compound angles we are solving the problems. Next one example is prove that cos a plus b, see here cos, now third one, prove that cos a plus b cos a minus b, which is equals to cos square a minus cos square is equals to cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus of sin square b. Right, again see here, prove that, क्या पूछा हमारे को यहाँ पे, cos a plus b into cos a minus b, which can be equals to cos square a minus sin square b बोल के prove करो बोल रहे. Again let us consider LHS. Cos of a plus b cos of a minus b, right? Now cos a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b into cos a minus b formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, right? Now again which is in the form of a minus b, a plus b, which can be written as a square minus a square minus of b square, right? Now cos square keep as it is here, cos square a keep as it is, cos square a keep as it is. Now cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b minus sin square b होना है हमें, right? Now sin square b keep as it is, what we get? 1 minus of cos a cos b plus of sin a sin b, right? 1 minus cos square a sin square b as it is, 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Now multiply cos square a inside. Cos square a into 1 is cos square a, cos square a sin square b minus sin square b as it is, minus minus plus cos square a sin square b. Here plus cos square a sin square b minus cos square a sin square b get cancelled. Remaining value cos square a minus sin square b, which is nothing but our RHS. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. Similarly previous example जैसे करते वहाँ पे same करें यहाँ पे भी. Just we have used here cos of a plus b instead of sin a plus b and sin a minus b. Same a minus b a plus b के फॉर्म में है, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर करें. यहाँ पे cos स्क्वायर a एज इट इज रखे, cos स्क्वायर b के लिए 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर b ले लिए, माइनस sin स्क्वायर b एज इट इज रखे, साइन स्क्वायर ए के लिए 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए ले लिए वैल्यू. नाउ कॉस स्क्वायर ए मल्टीप्लाई करो इनसाइड व्हाट वी गेट, एंड साइन स्क्वायर बी आल्सो मल्टीप्लाई इनसाइड. Plus minus get cancel, remaining right down as it is. Right? Next, one more example. Next example is show that tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta which is equals to 1 only, right? Tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta which is equals to 1 बोल रहे, right? Now tan pi by 4 value already you know well. Yes, tan pi by 4 value is, and एक बार substitute करो solution. Tan pi by, consider LHS here. Tan pi by 4 minus 3. Now which is in the form of tan A plus B. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Similarly, tan A minus B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B, right? Now tan pi by 4 value is already we know. Yes, what we get here? 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Here also 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, right? Now 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta, what we get here? 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta get cancelled. Therefore, what we get here, the value is 1 only. 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta get cancelled. 1 plus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta get cancelled. Therefore, tan pi by 4 plus of theta into tan of pi by 4 minus theta which is equals to 1 only, right? जब सब्स्टिट्यूट करें वैल्यू क्या करें यहाँ पे tan a plus b, tan a minus b. Tan a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. And similarly, tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Already we know tan pi by 4 value is 1. Pi by 4 in the sense what? Pi means 180. 180 by 4. That is nothing but 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is what? 1 already you know. That is pi by 4, which is equals to what? 1 only, right? Therefore, tan pi by 4 plus theta plus tan pi by 4 minus theta, the value is 1. Hence, we have showed this one by using compound angle formulas, right? Finally, one more example. Show that sin x plus y plus sin x minus y divided by cos x plus y plus cos x minus y which is equals to tan x. Yes, which is equals to tan x. Here we have to prove Again, let us consider LHS here. LHS equals to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y divided by cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. वैल्यू दिए सो है विच इज इक्वल्स टू क्या शो करो बोल रहे, विच इज इक्वल्स टू tan x बोल के शो करना है हमें. ऑलरेडी वी नो द कंपाउंड एंगल फॉर्मूला sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus of sin x minus y sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, right? In the denominator, cos x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, right? Again, in the numerator and the denominator, which is nothing but what we get here, plus sign is there in between, right? Plus minus. Now cos xy plus cos x sin y, these two get cancelled, plus this is minus. Again, sin x sin y sin x sin y plus minus get cancelled, remaining write down as it is. Sin x cos y sin x cos y, 2 times of sin x cos y. In the denominator also cos x cos y cos x cos y, 2 times of cos x cos y, right? Here cos y get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. What we get remaining, which is equals to sin x by cos x is tan x. Therefore LHS equals to RHS, right? क्या करें यहाँ पे हम, what we have did here, simply sin x plus y plus sin x minus y divided by cos x plus y plus of cos x minus y, which is equals to tan x, we have to show here. Therefore let us consider first LHS. Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y upon cos of x plus y plus of cos x minus y. Already we know the compound angle formula. Sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus of cos x sin y, plus as it is sin x minus y formula is sin x cos y minus of cos x sin y. Denominator cos x plus y is there, cos x cos y minus of sin x sin y, plus as it is cos x minus y is cos x cos y plus of sin x sin y. In the numerator, plus cos x sin y minus cos x sin y get cancelled. In the denominator, minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y get cancelled. Remaining write down as it is. Here sin x cos y sin x cos y, 2 times of sin x cos y. In the denominator also cos x cos y cos x cos y, therefore 2 times of cos x cos y. Here cos y get cancelled, and 2 also get cancelled from the numerator as well as denominator. Therefore sin x by cos x is tan x. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. और एक एग्जांपल है, आप होमवर्क ट्राई करो, नहीं आए तो क्या है, नेक्स्ट डाउट सेशन में पूछ लेना इसके बारे में, राइट? यहाँ पे लिख दूंगा मैं प्रॉब्लम उसके लिए. Prove that his homework. Prove that cot A plus B, which is equals to cot A cot B upon minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. cot A plus cot B. क्या प्रूव करना है? cot A plus B which is equals to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. सिंपल फॉर्मूला है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चाहे डायरेक्टली है, जस्ट प्रूव करना है बाय यूजिंग tan A plus B. ऑलरेडी आपको फॉर्मूला मालूम है tan A plus B का. बाय यूजिंग tan you have to solve or prove cot A plus B which is equals to cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B, right? This much is in this lecture. Again, Then next class we will solve some multiple and submultiple angles, right? Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.